Big up Crosses TV.
Wake up, pussycat. Wake up. Pussycat, wake up. Meow. Meow. Wake up, pussycat. Wake up.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Profile too, like on social media, the type of bitches which they like. You get what I'm saying? That's an all no frontals. We're leave out, we're sewing, but yet still you're under one bitch with BBL picture. With our lashes, I touch our fucking eyebrow and our fucking
Because maybe that's
wig
just
down our
Instagram and he's just
asshole.
showing some love, but for him personally, him just not want that. Nothing is wrong with showing love on Instagram versus having your girlfriend at home who is natural and you know she's just natural and she just naturally look good. Because Stacey, you're not an ugly girl. It's not like you need makeup for look
I
attractive.
feel targeted tonight.
Hello?
I feel very
Rascal.
targeted tonight.
I'm Jamaican looking a single woman from Canada, UK, and USA. Your blood clot.
Wow. Wrong life. Wrong blood clot life, sir. But no, the Jamaican. You know what? Honestly, if we should really do a single show because there are people out here who is genuinely trying to find relationship, and I feel like we can really actually get people to find relationship, like Kendra. I had that idea in my mind. I think we should definitely do.
But I said it earlier on.
We should definitely do a show. Who's
I said it
here? Who
earlier
is
on.
here for doing a show, helping single people find somebody? What do you think, Misha?
I'll definitely do it.
I think we should.
I feel like we should do something in reality TV. I'm gonna go audition for Love and Hip Hop New York.
You're the rascal like this.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. I mean, I bring you with me.
You're not. Yeah. It really gets.
I bring you with me. Yeah.
No Jamaicans, not sorry. Who is this curvy queen?
But you know, Curvy Queen, I went to Jamaica holiday and like my last check said that she would never date a Jamaican man again. A bare Nigerian she want to date.
Me love Nigerian men. Me?
Yeah, she told me straight up say it's Nigerian. She said Jamaican men are not eating.
I love Nigerian guys.
What you like about the Nigerian man? Them the money?
They're generous.
Very generous.
You see? That's why I never get fucking on the wall and lick.
I've never spoken to a Nigerian though.
No, it's not even only because of that though. I feel like their culture is similar to Jamaican. And I feel like they're raised, they're taught to take care of their home and their family, their wife, their women, and they're aggressive, you know, don't get me wrong, but feel like every man is aggressive. But I feel like them have this different type of mindset when it comes down to what they're expected to do as a man. Because some men keep forgetting their roles.
You ever think to yourself that maybe you are owner cause it?
You know what?
What do you define as a male role in a relationship though? What is your ideal definition?
Taking care of the home.
Home meaning like paying the bills.
Paying the bills, yeah. And I feel like a man is supposed to be like the protector of the family. Can't have a man who can't protect me. This man jump me, can't even fight for me.
No, man nigga have to fight. I'm bossing.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, for Boston.
Jamaican men do the same. Only thing different is the money. No, I feel like Jamaican men want to jump through hurdles, jump over one part just to prove yourself. Let me say the difference.
Chris said this ain't 1850. Chris not paying no girl like bill.
Most of us as Jamaican men cannot take rejection, so I understand why most men don't.
Chris, send a request there. Come put in your 2-piece. Go you say you're not paying a girl light bill.
Light bill? Really, Chris?
Lies.
Really, Chris? Really?
Listen, you know what happened too? You see, all right, let me tell you, me and Stacey live by ourselves, right? So that means that we are paying all of the bills. All of the bills included, let me tell you, rent, light, cable, internet, car, gas, all of that. You really think you're gonna take up a man? No, that not going to take up some of those tabs. What is your point? What is your purpose over here?
No, he should chip in. He
Chip?
should chip in.
So let me ask you a question, Misha. If you met a man, right, and you guys decide to move in, and he decides, okay, well, he's gonna pay the rent, but then you're expected to pay like the utilities in the house. Do you think you can work with that? Or do you feel like the man supposed to pay everything in the house?
No. I have a conscience. Right? But the way how I grew up, my father paid all the bills. And my father
And
was
he
a,
was in a position to do so. But what
right. That's the
Nisha,
thing.
them suppose Nisha, tomorrow night now, you go out. Say you go out, dress
Mm-hmm.
up real nice, go to a restaurant or a bar, you meet a really nice guy.
Mm-hmm.
Right? You get to find out that the guy works in a department store later on, but the chemistry is off the chain. He works in the department store. He works in the no Stacy, stop
Stop,
blood clot
stop.
laugh.
No, it's the comments. I was looking at the comments. Stop. Don't
There's no comment, bitch. Don't
There's
you be
no cause
exact.
she
She's
lied.
liar,
no.
girl.
Did
Exact.
you
She
no,
lie.
but did you see Misha's face? Why
Why
would you
someone
do
dragging me
that?
into talking about you? You love to drag me into this. Into this.
Misha, so you meet the man, chemistry is off the chain, and exchange number, and get to find out that you work at a department store. Nothing fancy, nothing bringing home, no real bag. You not drop him?
All right, that's a good. I like that question. Let me tell you why I like that question, because you see, men sometimes they just need support, like emotional support, and us females need that emotional and mental support too. But it depends on the age. The age gonna play a big factor, because if you're older than me, I don't
All
have no
right,
sympathy
him
for
at
you.
24, but he's mature. He has goals. However, I'm just not in a position right now for do what I want to in the next. What I'm do I want to right now. However, he's in a stable job, driving decent like a car.
Like a
He
Kia, and what you
he
call a decent car, like a Kia or a Honda.
Man, I do nothing wrong with Honda.
I'm
Back up.
asking. I'm asking logical questions, and y'all are laughing like I'm asking a whole.
He drives a nice Corolla, blood clot, nice decent standard American car, a Corolla. Him work in a Target or one of those stores or whatever. But you meet him at the bar and him dress nice, him smell nice, him he buys you a drink.
I could date him.
Energy's off the
I would
chain.
date
Shut him
him.
out, Stacy.
I would date him. I would date him.
So you that drop him? Mind
I
you,
know.
when him
I would
going to the
date
club,
him. I would
when
date
him
him.
going to the club in a Stacy, he won't be able to buy the sparkly Moe and the Veuve Clicquot. Him can buy a vodka thing or the normal Joe drink. Do you see yourself with this man?
This is
I
the
want to make man commit suicide. Let me get all this live. No,
No. All right,
no, I gotta. No,
let me
hold on,
answer.
hold
Let
on.
me answer. Okay, let
No,
me
I'm
be the
gonna go
person.
up. I'm gonna block. Done
Right.
verbal.
Let me be the first one to answer, because I cannot actually see my comments gone again, so I can't see the comments.
Done
But
verbal. So I'm gonna block the man. Said the man.
so here's the thing, right? I just believe. All right, here's one thing. When I believe that. All right, for example, me and Stacey came here 5 years ago, right? We came here 5 years.
always dragging me. Oh, I'm always getting
No,
dragged.
I'm putting that as an example, because
Oh, okay.
you see, if you're born American and you're 28 and you're still living in Target, something is wrong. Something is wrong. Something is wrong, meaning your goal is a bit low. That's how I feel like it, because I feel like I came up here and I'm doing it by myself. You were born here. You were born and raised here, so you had resources from your born. We know they'd have to come and transition and do everything on our own. So I kind of don't have any sympathy. It's all bad, but I just don't have sympathy for people working in Target, or like retail, who want certain type of girls, because Una did born, yeah. Me
No, but you
never
see,
born here.
Misha, and all of them born here with them say this country is the land of opportunity and whatever. And some people that were born here just never had that opportunity.
I think that they're bums. Everybody has the same opportunity. First of all, Uncle Sam and Ram to give out loans, student loan, any type of loan, unemployment, EBT, them food stamps. They have resources out here, especially for citizens. Born Americans they have Section 8. Y'all, they be living in apartments and not paying rent. Section 8. Like they really get benefits that we do not get.
So you're
So
saying
to
that
me, there's no excuse. Una born here, una get EBT. What is something EBT? Why they when them get food stamps? Is EBT card, whatever.
this right
Right. They get all those type of stuff that Jamaicans don't get. We don't get nothing. We have to fend for ourselves. So
immigrants.
if I'm coming up here, why is it that I made it and you never make it? Why am I make it and you never make it? And you born here?
So you say right away that's a red flag and a
Yes,
no
because
go.
I feel as if I don't have no sympathy for niggas who are older than me or my age who don't have accomplished nothing. especially the Yankee them were born and raised here, because you were born here. Me that could come trans when I first came to America, I had $6,000 to my name, and I'm in a pray for state. I had $6,000 to my name, and that's because I was working at the bank. I was working at First Global Bank, and you know you're saving in Jamaica, and say the U.S. currency is hard to save it. That's number one. That shit blew up in one day. When it's time to get furniture, when time to take it to an apartment, all that gone. I had to fend for myself. So as a person who came up here and made it, and you were born and raised here with all those resources, I don't have no sympathy for you. I'm sorry. I have none. I don't care who your mother be, if your mother's a crackhead. I don't care. I just don't care. Because
All
if
right.
you really want it, you'll go for it.
So one American here, him say Section 8 is not the easy. Well, Section 8 is not the easy income ratio is not the same. Section 8 is not the easy the income. I guess he's saying Section 8 is not the same. I don't know what he's trying to say. Section 8 is not the easy income ratio.
Sir,
It's not the easy income ratio,
the
not
fact
the
that you
same.
are trying, no, listen, sir. I can't answer the comments. The fact that you are trying to justify Section 8, you're already what? You're already one of them. I don't want to hear what you have to say right now. Tell talk to Stacey and I don't want to hear that one. I
But
don't care.
EBT and Section 8 can't help them make it.
Yes, they can. You get free food. Yeah, that's food. You can walk in the supermarket and get food. What happens to Jamaicans who don't have that can't walk in no supermarket? Where do you think they get food from? Jamaica don't have Section 8. Jamaica don't have EBT.
So then you're
But
saying,
also,
Tamisha, wait your turn, Stacey. Do not talk unless your mic is
okay,
on, please.
no, noted.
And tell me the comments because I can't see them. Remember, I can't see them. So you have to tell me them.
Somebody
So what
said,
are so what are you doing for a living?
Who, me?
Yeah.
move to Canada, guys.
Who asked that? Who asked that?
This me versus you. I win. You can't use
Probably.
EBT and Section 8 to make it in life.
Nobody's
No,
talking. No, you guys are missing the point. No, that's what's
no.
annoying.
What she's saying is,
You're missing the point.
if me to come here at a younger age, if I came here at a younger age, then of course then I would have probably go college, I would have the high school, go college, and then would have probably have a better career goal. When I came here, I never had a choice but to go work. Period.
Facts.
You understand me? So that's what I'm saying. Is like it's like when you're living in Jamaica, that's the life you have. You go to school, you're expected to go to college, and you get a good job. So my thing is, if we came here
Earlier.
not with those type of stuff lined out for us. A lot of we come here and we are live with auntie and uncle and brother and cousin. My father treated me very bad when I came here. You understand what I mean? So it's like a lot of people had to go through that, but then we still make it through, and we have decent apartments, we have decent job, we're able to pay the little bills in the house, we have a decent car. So what we're saying is, why should we have to take up somebody who lives here and who is the same age as us and a struggle? Like, we're all struggling, cool, whatever, but why should we take up somebody who is you know, make it the same way home you try to get to the point? It don't make no sense.
What is the point of this? I don't
So
have no excuse for it.
So then you're saying that's automatically a red flag, and even if this is supposed to be your future, you just flush it down the toilet in the bathroom.
It's not about flushing it down the toilet.
I wouldn't say it's a red flag or I'm not gonna flush it, but what I say is like, if I feel like I want to, if me feel like say every night me eat lamb chops, and me meet a man now we can't only make me go to Burger King. Why me supposed to stop eating my lamb chops because you can't only buy me Burger King? I'm gonna buy lamb chops from my own.
Why should I lower my standard?
That's what I'm saying. Why should I do that? Why should now I'm supposed to find somebody who can make me name octopus? It's not like octopus is more expensive than lamb chop, but you get the point.
Right.
That's what I'm saying. No, me can't talk to a corporate person, 9-to-5 guy, because me do 9-to-5. But what I'm saying is like we have to. It has to make sense. It cannot be. I carry the bag. I'm not going to carry the bag.
No comments.
No,